Good morning, all. Introduce myself, Krishna Priya from 3rd BCom. My topic is Consumer to Consumer Business Model, page number 160. Consumer to Consumer C2C business provides a platform for consumers to sell each other with the help of an online business. C2C business model is the interaction between consumer and consumer, where the product and goods can be sold each other with the help of an online business. Here, a consumer sells directly to another consumer. The purpose of C2C is to enable consumers to sell directly to other consumers without having go through a middleman. The first and best example of this type of business is eBay.com, utilizing a market creator business model. The best example of C2C business is eBay. eBay is the online marketplace to buy and sell items and allow the users to list items for sale and other users to bid on them in auctions. And they provide a consumer to advertise and sell their product online to another consumer. Another example of this type is OLX, Uber, etc. With the introduction of online auctions, consumers need not go outside of their homes or offices in order to bid on items of interest, and sellers need not to establish expensive retail space to reach buyers. Nowadays, we mostly use the term C2C when referring to trading goods in online. Before the internet, individual consumers would also interact commercially through newspaper and shop window adverts. C2C commerce still exists in shop windows and newspaper advertisements. However, the internet is now the dominant platform. It enabled the consumers to sell directly to other consumers without going outside of their home or offices in their interest, or without spending huge amount of money to reach buyers. While the seller needs to pay a fixed fee to online auction to sell their product, the buyer can bid without paying any fee. The site brings the buyers and seller together to conduct deals. In return of linking like-minded buyers and sellers, eBay makes a small commission. This site allows the seller to keep more of their profits and buyer to potentially purchase goods at a better, more competitive price. So, eBay takes a small commission. The more auctions, more money eBay makes. How much more auctions will be there? There will be more money eBay makes. Consumers who would not like to attend in auctions but still want to buy used product can visit half.com, which enable the consumers to sell off unwanted books, movies, music and games to other consumers. Consumers didn't like to attend in auctions. They want to buy used products. They can visit a website called half.com that enable the consumers to sell unwanted books, music, movies and games to other consumers. Unlike eBay, it allows the sellers to set a fixed price for each item rather than putting it up for bid. Half.com allow the sellers to set a fixed price for each item other than eBay. So this is my topic. I hope it is clear. Thank you.